hwe o mai konkon Ghana ha no no na ahyenkafo no binom time ambulance airport siren na e wo sanka otumi ejina na o ma no kwa no na o kire se o ya professional driver nti betumi a compete ambulance driver no twe video na ada screen so sisi ano wey esi wa mono ne ambulance no obo siren pe all the drivers ebiem e ma no mo ba eden obesene ye obetwam wey ebetumi esi ma konkon Ghana say ambulance ebo siren wow na Ghanaian drivers and stop it say ambulance bench no yamma no kwan insida it doesn't happen in Ghana minim say personal selfish interest in ti you lose soul obiri share free just like that because of your selfish personal interest. Abusia, Ghana no is a nation, not a personal property. And we are building a country. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama alone cannot build this country. Every citizen in this country has a shared responsibility. In this idea, because it will not affect only the president. It will affect the entire citizens in the country. And this goes to the drivers in Ghana. Some of you, Monfa Embran Yejuma, Ewa Kantemponso. So ambulance, bus arena, no matter how busy you are, it is a responsibility as a citizen of Ghana. Say, we want to find someone call. I thought that my name is the people. Someone know more, bro. Someone feel pity for people. I don't know. I know you are busy. You call you like program or late. It's fine. But over you, somebody is at the verge of dying. You compare when you will be no. Why the time jumper? And you also video na etwogu na I'm on the sea. Sorry, the book it will be and I sank upon Emma ambulance driver no crime of best say. His son said, I'm going to the pound. I'm what some of the money pa. Obu near the day at the money pa. Say, Nipa the Kenny Ma Sabe, oh, to be a woman on what day. When now you're busy, what's your cast now? A park now, cast, what's our Momoko programs? And yet, short. But Ghana have a shot there. Come to Ghana.